What's going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin back at it. Today's Worm Wednesday, so I'm going to show you the worm bin. I'm going to take you through the whole process. Still winter, January 13th, 2021. There's a lot of prep work to get into, be ready to plant outside in spring. I've already looked at Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds catalog. I have about 8 to 10 packs of seeds that I want to pick up. I'm going to do a video on that hopefully the end of this week. And then also I have some other seed catalogs coming, so when they come in I can go through, check those out, and see what other seeds I might be picking up. So if you don't want to miss any of the prep work, make sure you're subscribed, and let's hop in this bin. So here we go. See the worm on there? Drop him back in. Okay. Well, this is the first day that I'm not seeing a ton of sprouts. There's still sprouts in there, but they're already have been pulled. So that's, I guess, a good sign that the pumpkin seeds might be done germinating. Cylinder's still hanging around. It's breaking down a little bit. So the last feeding was lettuce. I have some more lettuce. Some of these, this is the Bib lettuce, Boston Bib from the garden. Finally got some more coffee grounds. This is what I was using to mark before. I'm just going to add that to this area. And I told you last time, out by our garden, we used to have a pool, so we have sand out there. So I pulled some sand out. I'll just sprinkle this over everything for their grit. And then, now I have my coffee filter. I'll place that on top to mark where I fed. Give a little moisture to the bin. And they should be good for another week. The sales flyer newspaper, I wet it down, and that tends to help keep the moisture in the bin longer. And also the plastic bag helps with the moisture too. Hey, as always, thanks for watching. We've had a lot of rain and kind of cold weather, so hopefully, I think this next week or two, we're supposed to have a couple days in like the mid 40s. So hopefully I'll get a chance to get out into the garden and do a couple things out there. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.